Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your HUAWEI Pura A Pro heating while charging. So if you're using the official HUAWEI charger that is 100 watts, then it's normal that your device will heat up during fast charging. Now, if you're not using fast charging and you're using any other charger, then you can check for background apps that can cause heat and high power. So let's unlock the device. Let's go over to settings, and in the settings we need to go over to the battery. So we see the battery right here. Now let's go over and swipe down. Here we will see the power consumption details, we will see the battery usage by app, and as you guys can see, it's only settings, HUAWEI Home, app gallery, and many more applications that are from the HUAWEI itself. So this phone is freshly new, so there won't be any apps that are different from the HUAWEI apps, but here you guys can check it and see which app causes the high power consumption, because that app may also produce the heat. Now moving on, you need to use the original charger and a cable. I know that the phone will heat while fast charging, but it's definitely better than using a third-party brick and cable itself. So what you guys want to do next is avoid the phone while charging. So try avoid using it, and don't watch YouTube on it, Netflix, anything else. Just turn the screen off, and then what you guys can do is simply put it in its place. Now you guys can also remove the case to improve the heat dissipation, because sometimes the heat may be trapped under the case. So you guys can just take off the case and charge the phone like that without a case. Now, as a last step, I recommend you guys charging your phone in a cool and ventilated area, and I don't mean the fridge here, just room temperature where the airflow is definitely there. So you want to make sure that you charge the phone in a cool and ventilated room where the airflow is good. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.